See that ship over there? She's known as Arklow Racer, one of Arklow Shipping's freshly built arrivals for 2023. Let's go check it out. Arklow Racer was built on behalf of Arklow Shipping by the Royal Bordeaux shipyard in the Netherlands, who specialize in building sustainable ships. She was the first of 7 of this particular ship design to be built, being finished in early 2023. Interestingly, she isn't the first ship to go by the name Arklow Racer. The previous Arklow Racer was sold on to Hultinus, where she was repainted from the distinctive green Arklow shipping colours to red and renamed to Feed Rogaland. The new Arklow Racer, which we see here, boasts a slightly larger engine at 1,740 kilowatt over the previous 1,500 kilowatt on the Feed Rogaland. She measures in just shy of 104 meters in length and has a beam of 15 meters. The scales show a gross tonnage of 4,145 tons or a summer deadweight tonnage of 6,800 tons. That's a lot of weight. As you can see, she proudly flies the green, white and orange flag of Ireland. In this footage, the vessel is currently anchored at the Margate Roads anchorage on the entrance to the Thames estuary, where ships await orders and wait out stormy seas to ensure safer passage. Her main role is to transport cargo from various points on behalf of the Arklow Shipping Company. She's a frequent visitor at many ports across the United Kingdom and Europe, going wherever the tide may take her in her never-ending voyage. I hope you have enjoyed today's featured ship as much as we have. Please feel free to subscribe if you would like to see more from us. Let us know your stories and thoughts in the comments below. Until next time.